Let's know what are integers. Deals with whole numbers. Integers deals with the whole numbers that can be positive, negative, and also. Let's look into the examples. Positive, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Negative, -1, -2, -3, and so on. We know pretty well 0, 0. So, the integers deals with the whole numbers that can be like this, positive, negative, and it includes 0 also as well. Integers is represented by capital letter Z. So, set of integers by Z -3, -2, -1, 0, and let's take positive numbers and so on, like this. Points to be remember. When we are going with the integers, what are the points we have to remember? That integers does not go with the decimals. So there will be no decimals when we are going with the integers, like this. Integers will not handle fractions. So no fractions, for example. And the next point to be remember, the integers can go infinitely in both directions. That can be positive or positive. And now, let's go with the tip. So that if you remember this step, we will solve any kind of integers, children. Let's go with the positive into positive. We will get positive answer. This is first. Let's go for the second tip. Positive into negative is equals negative. Let's go for the third. Negative into positive, we will get negative into positive, we will get negative. Let's go for the fourth example, fourth tip of the integers. Negative into negative, we will get positive. Now, let's take this set and we will go with the numbers, how this tip is going to solve and help us to solve the numbers. Let's take plus into plus is equals to plus 8 into plus 5 equals 8 5 times 40. So plus into plus, we will get plus. Plus 40 is the answer. So plus here. Plus 4 into minus 3 is equals to minus 12. So plus into minus, we will get minus. So 4 into 3, 12. So minus 12 is the answer. Let's take third example. Minus into minus, we will get plus. So minus will take 7 and minus 3. So 7 3 times 21. According to the rule, we have to put plus. So plus 21 is the answer. Let's look into the fourth one. Minus into plus, we will get minus. So we'll take negative number. Let's take, for example, minus 9 and multiply with the positive 4. 9 4 times 36, and we will get negative, so minus 36. So how the integers will help us in a real life? Let's look into the example. Integers we will use in the calculation of loss and profit. It deals with the money. Likewise, for example, minus 100 plus 50, such kind of calculations. And it deals with the score points also. Score points also. Like for correct answer, we will score 10 points. For wrong answer, we'll score negative 3 points. Like this, we will calculate the score points. Hope you all like the integers concept. Thank you so much, children.